Good morning, y'all. Currently out here in Temple, Texas, doing some driveway repair, crack fill, seal coat. This is Robert from HNH Pavement Markings. We have Corey and we got my 11-year-old son up here doing some crack filling. You know, if you want the best, you gotta call us. You see my trucks around, just give us a call. Got a Chevy 4500 fully vinyl wrapped with the logo, supporting same-day stencils. But as the guys slowly start to work down the driveway, prepping everything for seal coat, these are called speed banders. Speed applicators, whatever you want to call them. We use these on a regular basis. We usually run 2 or 3 of them at one time. Fill them up with material, get them hot, fill them up with material, and use it as a crack fill applicator.